Hi, today I am here to explain about the ca- case study on Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which is the part of Indian knowledge system. The India's G20 path to global peace and unity. The world is one family. Ancient Sanskrit words that became the heartbeat of India's G20 presidency in 2020. The ancient wisdom understand the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is rooted in Maha Upanishads, this Sanskrit phrase. Vasudha Kutumbakam translate the whole world is one family. Dating back thousands of years, it embodies as a philosophy of universal kinship, compassion across borders, and shared human density. India's vision from ancient philosophy to living foreign policy. India has a long translated this philosophy into action, campaigning multilateralism, non-alignment, and South-to-South cooperation on the world stage. Multilateral diplomacy, India's consistent voice at the UN and global forums advocates peace, dialogue, and equitable representation for developing nations. South-South solidarity. Through ITEC and development partnership, India shares technical expertise and resources with the fellow developing nations across Asia and Africa. Climate leadership. The International Solar Alliance, founded by India, channels as spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam into clean energy access for all nations. The G20 India Presidency of Platform for Global Cooperation 2023. India assumed the G20 presidency on December 2022 with the motto of One Earth, One Family, One Future. Hosting over 200 meetings across 60 cities, the presidency was most geographically inclusive in G20 history, bringing global diplomacy to every corner of India. Key initiative of India G20 focusing on unity and sustainability features. Digital public infrastructure, food and energy security, climate finance and green transition, women-led development. Promoting India's UPI, Aadhaar and models as blueprints of inclusive digital economics worldwide. Food and energy security. Addressing global supply chain disruption to ensure no nation faces hunger or energy poverty. Climate finances and green transition. Mobilizing trillions of developing nations to fund clean energy transitions and climate resilience. Women-led development. Centering gender equality as a pillar of sustainable growth from financial inclusion to political representation. India presidency also secured the historic inclusion of African Union as a permanent G20 member, amplifying the voice of 55 African nations. Humanitarian aid during COVID-19. India, the pharmacy of the world. Vaccines without borders. Under the Vaccine Maitri Vaccine Friendship Initiative, India supplied over 300 million of COVID vaccine doses to more than 100 countries, many of them low-income nations with no other source of supply. At the height of pandemic, India prioritized the global need alongside its own. Donated vaccines to COVAX for equitable global distribution, supplied a critical medicines, PPE kits, and ventilators to neighbors, sent medical teams and financial aid to crisis hit nations. Lessons learned. The power of collective actions in crisis. The COVID-19 pandemic was the stark reminder no nation is an island. The crisis revealed both fragility of global system and extraordinary potential of solidarity. Bridging divides the G20 efforts towards the inclusion of global governance, amplifying the global south. Debate relief, technological access, reformed institutions. India used its presidency to fundamentally reshape the G20 discourse, ensuring development nations weren't just a participant but co-architects of global policy. The Voice of Global South Summit convened 125 nations to feed their prioritized directly into the G20 agenda. Challenges and opportunities. Realizing a truly united world. The road ahead is not smooth. Geopolitical tensions, rising nationalism, and deep economic inequalities pose a real threats to the ideal of global unity. The Ukraine conflict, climate inaction, and AI governance gaps tested consequences at every turn. Yet opportunities abound. Shared existential threats, climate change, and pandemic force cooperation beyond ideology. Technology as a bridge. Digital tools enables a real-time global collaboration at a scale. A new generation. Youth across nations increasingly identifies as a global citizens first. At last, the motto is only one. One Earth, one family, one future. India's G20 presidency was more than a diplomatic milestone, it was a moral statement. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is not a nostalgia, it is a blueprint for survival in an interconnected world. One Earth. Protect our shared planet with a collective climatic and sustainability actions. One family. No nations left behind. Equality and compassion as a foundation of global policy. One future. Build multilateralism system worthy of challenges and the promise that lie ahead. In a world driven by conflict and competition, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam reminds us our fates are intertwined and our greatest strengths lie in unity. At last, I will tell about one earth, one family, one future.